October 30, 2017 by Mckinney Capital Management Associates increased its stake in Mgm Resorts International MGM by 199.05% based on its latest 2017 Q2 regulatory filing with the SEC. Capital Management Associates bought 21,896 shares as the company's stock rose 17.48% with the market. The institutional investor held 32,896 shares of the Hotels and Resorts Company at the end of 2017 Q2, valued at $1.03 million, up from 11,000 at the end of the previous reported quarter. Capital Management Associates, who had been investing in MGM Resorts International for a number of months, seems to be bullish on the $17.78 billion market cap company. The stock declined 1.09% or 34 cents, reaching $30.91 on the news. About 894,772 shares traded. MGM Resorts International NYSE MGM has risen 45.28% since October 30, 2016 and is uptrending. It has outperformed by 28.58% the S&P 500. Frontier Investment Management Company decreased its stake in Comcast Corp. ACM CSA by 2.4% based on its latest 2017 Q2 regulatory filing with the SEC. Frontier Investment Management Company sold 9,102 shares as the company's stock rose 3.16% with the market. The institutional investor held 370,303 shares of the television services company at the end of 2017 Q2, valued at $14.41 million, down from 379,405 at the end of the previous reported quarter. Frontier Investment Management Company, who had been investing in Comcast Corp. For a number of months, seems to be less bullish on the $169.33 billion market cap company. The stock declined 1.52% or 56 cents, reaching $36.23 per share. About 6.26 million shares traded. Comcast Corporation NASDAQ QCM CSA has risen 28.96% since October 30, 2016 and is uptrending. It has outperformed by 12.26% the S&P 500. More notable recent MGM Resorts International NYSE MGM news were published by ReviewJournal.com, which released MGM paying for hotel stay for Las Vegas shooting witness Jesus Campos on October 27, 2017. Also SeekingAlpha.com with their article Mandalay Bay Tragedy Temporarily Masks Higher Valuation for MGM published on October 19, 2017. ReviewJournal.com published MGM Resorts shelves marketing in response to Las Vegas shooting on October 5, 2017. More interesting news about MGM Resorts International NYSE MGM were released by ProNewsWire.com and their article MGM Resorts International announces third quarter 2017 earnings release date published on October 13, 2017, as well as BusinessInsider.com's news article titled MGM International has quietly debuted a powerful new ad after it was forced to, with publication date October 17, 2017. Among 14 analysts covering MGM Resorts NYSE MGM, 10 have buy rating, 0 sell and 4 hold. Therefore 71% are positive. MGM Resorts had 49 analyst reports since August 5, 2015 according to Ratings Intel. The rating was maintained by Telsey Advisory Group with Outperform on Friday, December 9. The firm earned buy rating on Thursday, August 11 by Buckingham Research. Telsey Advisory Group maintained it with Outperform rating and $39 target in Friday, July 28 report. The rating was maintained by Stifel Nicolaus with buy on Thursday, June 9. The rating was maintained by Susquehanna with positive on Monday, June 20. The firm has buy rating given on Friday, December 16 by Goldman Sachs. Morgan Stanley initiated the stock with overweight rating in Friday, May 6 report. The company was maintained on Tuesday, November 8 by Telsey Advisory Group. The stock of MGM Resorts International NYSE MGM has buy rating given on Wednesday, August 30 by Stifel Nicolaus. Goldman Sachs maintained MGM Resorts International NYSE MGM on Wednesday, April 5 with buy rating. Investor sentiment decreased to 1.01 in Q2 2017. It's down 0.22 from 1.23 in 2017 Q1. It is negative as 45 investors sold MGM shares while 137 reduced holdings. 66 funds opened positions while 117 raised stakes, $425.76 million. shares, or 3.24% more from 412.40 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. Architects, a New Jersey-based fund, reported 1,160 shares. Great-West Life Assurance Can owns 272,233 shares for 0.02% of their portfolio. Calamos Wealth Management Limited Liability Company has 52,540 shares for 0.23% of their portfolio. BBT Limited Com reported 200,000 shares, 280,012 are owned by Tudor Investment et al. BP Public Limited Co. reported 0.07% in Mgm Resorts International MGM. PNC Financial Services stated it has 199,468 shares, or 0.01% of all its holdings. Sigint Cap Management Limited reported 56,700 shares. Citadel Advisors LC has 0% invested in Mgm Resorts International MGM. Commonwealth Bank Trust of stated it has 0% in Mgm Resorts International MGM. BlackRock Incorporated reported 22.76 M shares. Eagle Asset Management owns 1.45 M shares. SEIINVs has invested 0.03% in Mgm Resorts International MGM. 9,987 are owned by Trex Squent INVLP. Wolverine Asset Management LC reported 3,500 shares, or 0% of all its holdings. Since May 1, 2017, it had 0 buys and 3 insider sales for $1.31 million. Activity: $615,686 worth of Mgm Resorts International MGM was sold by Sanders Corey Ian. Shares for $459,377 were sold by McManus John on Monday, May 1. $370,375 worth of stock was sold by Mandekuk Anthony Leo on Monday, May 1. Shares for $27,236 were sold by McKinney James Rose. 5,906 Mgm Resorts International MGM shares with value of $181,743 were sold by Bible William A. Shares for $369,247 were sold by Taylor Daniel J. on Monday, May 1. More notable recent Comcast Corporation NASDA QCM CSA news were published by Nasdaq.com, which released Comcast Corporation CMCSAX dividend date scheduled for October 3, 2017 on October 2, 2017. Also Nasdaq.com with their article Earnings Reaction History Comcast Corporation CLA 36.4% follow-through, published on October 26, 2017. SeekingAlpha.com published report Sprint, Comcast settle phone patent dispute on October 20, 2017. More interesting news about Comcast Corporation NASDA QCM CSA were released by SeekingAlpha.com and their article Comcast leads investment in haircare product startup, published on October 23, 2017, as well as SeekingAlpha.com's news article titled Filing Comcast Settled Sprint Patent Claims for $250 million with publication date October 27, 2017. Among 28 analysts covering Comcast Corporation NASDA QCM CSA, 23 have buy rating, 1 sell and 4 hold. Therefore 82% are positive. Comcast Corporation had 64 analyst reports since July 27, 2015, according to Ratings Intel. SunTrust Robinson initiated the shares of CMCSA in report on Wednesday, November 11 with neutral rating. The company was maintained on Friday, September 8 by RBC Capital Markets. The rating was upgraded by MoffettNathanson on Wednesday, August 19 to neutral. On Tuesday, January 31, the stock rating was maintained by RBC Capital Markets with Outperform. The firm earned Outperform rating on Tuesday, January 24 by Telsey Advisory Group. On Thursday, February 4, the stock rating was maintained by RBC Capital Markets with Outperform. The rating was maintained by Robert W. Baird on Wednesday, October 4 with Buy. The firm earned Outperform rating on Monday, October 24 by Mckinney Research. Mckinney Research maintained Comcast Corporation NASDA QCM CSA rating on Monday, January 4. Mckinney Research has neutral rating and $61 target. The company was maintained on Friday, August 19 by Telsey Advisory Group. Investor sentiment decreased to 1.01 in 2017 Q2. It's down 11.82 from 12.83 in 2017 Q1. It is negative, as 68 investors sold CMCSA shares while 503 reduced holdings. 110 funds opened positions while 468 raised stakes, 3.69 billion shares or 50.72% less from 7.49 billion shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. Oxy Asset Management reported 118,610 shares stake. 1.64 M were accumulated by Nuveen Asset Management Limited Liability Company. CIBC Asset Management Incorporated owns 602,013 shares. Connor Clark and Lund INV Management holds 222,000 shares. Herndon has invested 0% in Comcast Corporation NASDA QCM CSA. Boston Private Wealth Limited Liability has 581,047 shares for 0.89% of their portfolio. State of Tennessee Treasury Department reported 3.59 shares or 0.67% of all its holdings. Los Angeles Cap Management Equity reported 0.05% of its portfolio in Comcast Corporation NASDA QCM CSA. New Jersey Better Educational Savings Trust has invested 0.81% of its portfolio in Comcast Corporation NASDA QCM CSA. 1,880 were accumulated by Arrow Financial. Pathstone Family Office accumulated 8,595 shares, 23,285 are owned by Bowling. National Bank Trust of Hawaii reported 0.16% of its portfolio in Comcast Corporation NASDA QCM CSA. Moreover, RNC Management Limited Liability Com has 0.02% invested in Comcast Corporation NASDA QCM CSA. Goldman Sachs GP owns 0.33% invested in Comcast Corporation NASDA QCM CSA for 32.85 million shares. Frontier Investment Management Company, which manages about $1.19 billion and $1.02 billion U.S. long portfolio, upped its stake in Golub Capital BDC Inc. NASDA QG BDC by 42,665 shares to 653,251 shares, valued at $12.49 million in 2017 Q2, according to the filing. It also increased its holding in Ridex SP equal weight ETF RSP by 104,504 shares in the quarter, for a total of 143,190 shares, and has risen its stake in Goldman Sachs Group Inc. PFD say GSPRJ. Receive news ratings via email. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts ratings with our free daily email newsletter.